Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this episode. Before we start this episode, I'd like to thank everyone for your comments and DMs on Insta regarding the Turbo 4K build. It's nice to see how many other people have got boosted 4Ks or low through turbo setups. So thanks for your comments and support. There will be more turbo content coming. We've got a 3236 Weber, which is currently pulled apart and being rebuilt. I'm waiting for a jet kit. We're probably going to build a new turbo hat, cool side pipe, maybe add a blower valve, definitely add a wideband. So that's coming up in future episodes, but currently I had to pull apart the interior to repair the heater core, and we're going to refresh the interior. So that's what these episodes are about, so I hope you enjoy them. Ooh. Wonder what's on there. Oh, what's in this thing? Curious to see what's in this thing. This looks like a chamber of some sort. Ooh. Don't know what that is. Winner. Beer bottles, cigarette butts, filters, score. Alright, let's check the other side out. Ooh, what is this? Matches, Haha Industries, lighter, works. More money. So far the clean on the build has made me money. Yeah. I cleaned this car once before when I first brought it. There was a lot of cigarette butts, ash, rubbish, food, all types of crap, saddies. And now under the carpet it just continues. But the good news is that the floor, especially in the dry side where they commonly rust, is in really good condition. So I'm pretty happy with that. first time.
It's really good.
Pretty good condition, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just like the first time it's ever been
Really
on.
squishy.
Really squishy there, yeah. Nice and dry, no water on the inside. And
Nothing.
didn't break any clips. Look at the front one.
This is where Daddy sits.
Yeah, it's the driver's side, and it looks
Good.
in really good condition.
And that's squishy.
It's a squishy thing. Yeah. Of this car. One, to clean up the interior and we're going to restore it, and two, to pull out the heater core. So this box over here, the heater core, which is under there, is leaking, so I'm going to disconnect the heater core hoses and pull it out so I can get that repaired. If this was like about 15 years ago, I would have just blocked it up and be done with it, but I want to repair it and have it working, so yeah, let's pull it apart. Alright, as you probably saw in the last clip, me and the kids were washing down the main dash component and the dash pad because I want to paint it and clean it up. But before I do, I'm going to take one dash panel, give it a quick clean and spray it before I do a whole dash to just to see how it turns out, see if I'm happy with the colour, and if I'm not happy with the colour, then we've only wrecked one small dash part. Alright, we'll give it a shot. Just lay on a little light coat, let that dry for 5-10 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll lay down a thick coat. Right, that's 3 layers on the back, and it's 1 layer on the front. I'm going to give another 2 light layers on the front and see how it turns out, but at the moment it looks a bit too matte for whatever reason. It's not that I want it glossy, but you want at least satin, so see how it goes. Alright, that's after our second coat. Let's see. But it looks pretty good. We'll get the 3rd coat and leave it for 24 hours. We'll let that sit for 24 hours and see what it turns out. Alright. That's the 3 coats. Looks pretty good now it's settled. It's been about 20 hours. Done a light hit on the main body of the dash. I'm going to keep spraying it. Like 2.5 sort of coats. This is looking pretty good, but because this is a dash, I'm gonna hit it with about 3, maybe 4 coats. Fuck it, maybe 5. I'm never gonna pull this thing out again, so we might as well coat it pretty well. Don't want to coat it too heavy because I don't want to lose the texture of the dash either. So yeah, see what happens. Leaky heater core we got recored, so I couldn't find one second hand anywhere, So radio shop recaught it, and it's all good to go. So let's put it in the heater box. Wasn't really happy with how this thing is sitting in. It used to have sponge lining on both sides, so I've got a sort of spongy material. I'm going to try and attach it, see if that helps hold it in place a bit better. Pretty happy with that. Looks better than blue.